Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to put fertilizer in the ground the easy way. You can see I'm cutting off the original tip I've been using for a couple years. It's just too blunt. So in this video I'm going to make a more elegant fertilizer ice pick. Come check it out. So my idea here was to torch 3 of the sides flat at a taper to remove the bulk of the material easily. The original one had a blunt tip because I just ran out of gas trying to grind the tip down. What I ended up with was an off-center ice pick that worked great. All I'm doing here is essentially, quote-unquote, sharpening the tip, removing the rough edges and grinding it to a nice smooth point. It doesn't have to be perfect because all its job is to just put a giant hole in the dirt anyways. With the original design, I often had to get a hand sledge out and pound it back in. This one I can just drop and it will go in 9 inches. That's what I need.